In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of English language class. The purpose of this class is that you could know about linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as psycholinguistics. Listeners and audience, today I'm going to teach you behaviorist theory and even Pavlov. Listeners and audience, you know there are so many behaviorists who presented their observations and experiments about behavior and environment, that human beings, they learn from their behavior as well as from their environment. In this regard, I am going to teach you the experiment of Ivan Pavlov related to behaviorist theory. Listeners and audience, if you remember, I told you in the previous lecture that according to behaviorist theory, human beings learn from behavior and environment. Whatever behavior the environment and human beings they show, another human beings they imitate and adopt the same behavior. And human beings also learn from reward and punishment. In this regard, Ivan Pavlov conducted an experiment that first of all, there was a dog, and Ivan Pavlov wanted to conduct an experiment upon that dog. At the initial stage, he had a ring by his hand or with his hand, and whenever he would ring the bell, there was no response from the behalf of the dog. But the next time, he also had some food along with the bell. So first he will ring the bell, and after that he will place the food to the dog. The dog will come to eat the food. So almost 2 to 3 days he repeated such kind of practice. So with the passage of time, whenever he would just ring the bell, the dog itself will come to the food and will eat the food. And then he did not have the food so many times, but he would just ring the bell and the dog would come. So he concluded that the dog acquired and learned such type of behavior, because at the initial stage it was not food, but with the passage of time it was habituated, accustomed, so much so that whenever the bell would ring, it would come to the food. So he concluded that human beings also acquired from the environment and behavior. Whenever human beings, for example, whatever environment the human beings they face, whatever behaviors the human being face, if such type of behavior is accepted, appreciated, then the human beings they continue such behavior. But if it is rejected or not accepted, then the human being skips such type of behavior. So hope that you know about this type of experiment of Ivan Pavlov. Thank you.